I'm going to go on a hunt for something called Sticky Willy, which is a plant, basically the cleaver plant. So we're here on the River Severn, just by Montford Bridge, which is there behind me. Montford Bridge, incidentally, is Thomas Telford's first bridge, which is pretty cool. First bridge design. So yeah, we're on the hunt for something called Sticky Willy. It's the cleaver sort of family of plants. It's that thing that you would stick on people's backs when you were a kid. Now, Sticky Willy, at this time of the year, I gotta stop calling it that. This time of the year, it is growing in abundance, and it's a really nutritious sort of plant. You can do a few things with it. You can make it into a nice soup, but what we're going to do is we're going to make Willy Water. And so what we do is we pick it and then we put it in, I'll tell you what, I'll show you. Let's go find some. So cleaver likes to grow on the edge of a woodland or in hedgerows. Generally speaking, you're probably going to find it where you find nettles. What we've come to here is a bit of a clearing. Which definitely fits the description of the edge of a woodland. Now, might look a little bit funny, but I have got this, which is I like Pirates of the Caribbean. Let's call it my cleaver spotter. There we are. Cleaver. You won't be able to see it. Basically just up there. Let's go see if we can get some. So it's always a bit of a mission to get out on the edge of the River Severn, because the River Severn fluctuates so much in the winter that the bank is lined with this sticky mud. You can see just here. So we should be able to get out just by here. We can get out in the water. Yep, advance party's out. Just got this area here that's full of cleaver. Don't know if you can see. So for eating, we don't tend to pick this when it's flowering, but for cold infusions, which is what we're making, the Willy Water, we basically just want to cut off sort of top part like that, so the fresh growth. And what we're aiming to do is we're going to collect a bowlful. And make some Willy Water. So let's see how we get on. So that's the first bit, we rinse it, and then like that, and then what we're going to do, we're going to cover it for the night, and we're going to see in the morning what we've got. So here it is in the morning. Obviously I'm still in the same place, so I actually picked this yesterday and stuck it in the fridge, but so that's Willy Water. Oh, dog seems to have fallen in. That's quite nice. That tastes, if you had cucumber water, it tastes like cucumber water, but better. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's fresh. If you're on an early spring canoe trip, I'd highly recommend picking some of this the night before, leaving it to sort of steep overnight, and then you've got a really fresh, beautiful morning drink there. Bit of leaf, but something really special about foraging from a canoe. It's just peaceful. I know you can hear the road in the background. I'm very close to the A5, but it's, you know, just look at the sunset through the trees. It's peaceful. A little bit of rest for the mind. If you have a local waterway, go and give it a go. Make sure you pick the right thing. Do a little bit of research before you do. And of course, use the Wild Otter app to find launch points, routes and river levels. Cool. If you've made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I think we've tired the dog out.